In round 15, work 1 chain stitch and 27 single crochets. Then change to white yarn to work 4 single crochets. Then change to brown yarn to work 27 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Start with 1 chain stitch. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Finish 26 single crochets first. Place a marker in the first single crochet. Continue to work 25 more single crochets. "26 single crochets are done. We'll change yarn at the 27th single crochet. Insert hook into the next stitch. Yarn round hook and pull up a loop through the stitch. Then change to white yarn. Yarn round hook, pull through both loops on hook. The 27th single crochet is done. Tighten the yarn tail. The yarn change is done. Then work 3 single crochets with white yarn. Change yarn at the 4th single crochet. Four single crochets with white yarn are completed. The yarn change is done. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Finish 27 single crochets in total. "27 single crochets with brown yarn are completed. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 15 is done. In rounds 16 and 17, work 1 chain stitch and 10 single crochets. Then change to white yarn to work 38 single crochets. Then change to brown yarn to work 10 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 10 single crochets. Place a marker in the first stitch. Continue to work 9 more single crochets. Nine single crochets are done. Then we'll change to white yarn at the next single crochet. The yarn change is done. 10 single crochets are finished. Then work 38 single crochets with white yarn. Pull the yarn tight. We need to work 38 single crochets in total with white yarn. Keep working 1 single crochet in each stitch. Finish 37 single crochets first. 37 single crochets are done. We'll change to brown yarn at the 38th single crochet. Pinch the brown yarn and the fabric together. Leave enough yarn in the middle. The method of changing the yarn is the same, except that the yarn in the middle is longer. Then work 10 single crochets with brown yarn. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 16 is done. Please refer to the stitches of round 16 to finish round 17 by yourself. Round 17 is done. Now insert the safety eyes between round 13 to 14 of the main body, 3 stitches apart from the white part in the middle. Three stitches apart from the white part in the middle. Insert 1 safety eye between round 13 and 14. Then put on the safety back piece. Insert the other safety eye in the same way, 3 stitches apart from the white part in the middle. Then put on the safety back piece. The eyes are completed.